on up. All right, shorts. Put in these packing cubes. Go next packing cubes. I don't know if you guys can see that right there. Okay, so put some shorts in here. Need some linen pants. Some more linen pants. You know, I'm gonna be probably traveling in Asia, so that'll be, you know, for that. I'm gonna put some shorts, and then I'll put those shorts. I probably got a lot of shorts. Probably don't need this many, but if any of them tear up or whatever, I could just dispose of them. Not a big deal. And wherever I'm at, that's one out of the way. That's short number two. I got the second packing cube. I got shirts right there, dress shirts. Got a workout shirt. That workout shirt right here. Excellent. And then I'll put, you know, like my bandana. I'll probably put my hat and stuff like that. I still got a lot of space. One thing you want to do is maximize your space. You don't want to leave any open spaces like that. So what I'll do is I'll just pack in all of my, put it on one soap in there. That's two. That's three. T-shirts right here. Plenty of t-shirt. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And I'll put my hat in there. Like that. Like so. And I'll put my, actually put my other bar of soap. There we go. That's 3. So if you can see that, it's all good right there. Then I'll do underwear. I got them rolled up like so. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pair. You can see my bag is pretty small. It's not too big. It's a carry-on bag. Makes it easier for you to get on and off the flight, so you don't have to worry about losing your bag or anything like that. Especially when you have a lot of connecting flights, which you don't want to do. Just have lots of lots of check bags. So let's see how I can fit this in. Just like that. Wow, look at that. Cool. And kind of keeps everything together. I think I kind of like these packing cube things. I'll put some towels in here. I really could have put, I still got room for that. Socks. Really have another bag I could still use, but it doesn't look like I'll even have to use that. I have shorts, my swimming trunks, and just put these inside right here. Zip those up. Like so. Oh, of course. course, so our swimming trunks without your goggles. So put those in there too. So it's all set right there. Cool. There we go. And since this is for the plane, I'll put this where it's easily accessible. And for my, this is for dirty laundry. I got 2 bags. One I actually got from Coleman, which was actually this air mattress. So, but it's good to have bags like that. So when you're traveling, you can throw your wet clothes or your dirty clothes and take them down to the laundromat. So I'll put that down here, like so. And it's just amazing. I still actually have another packing cube, which I really could have put that inside there, or even my shoes, or even my hat. I'm not endorsing Ronex. I just bought it, so let's talk about the packing cubes. So that's that. And I still got plenty of pockets and plenty of space to do stuff. And zip this on up. Wow. Wow, that's pretty simple right there, guys. And I do got some flip-flops. I probably should have put those inside here. I probably won't wear them on the plane. I like to put my flip-flops in a bag because when you go out and about in the city and you go out into sand and beaches stuff, what you don't want to do is put sandy shoes back in with all your clean clothes. So I like to put them in there in a bag. So that's that. And this bag will be able to go with me on the plane. I don't have to be separated from my luggage. And I still have a pocket on the side if I need to put anything else on in there. Kind of tight. It's hard. You should always do this on a flat surface, to be honest with you. This is on an air mattress, so it's moving as I'm doing it. This is very simple. And that's that. I have this with the carry-on, the roller. I always put a lock on mine just in case I have to separate myself from it. And there you go. It's ready for travel. Hang this headrest on there. And then when I add my book bag, that's it. Hey, Bob's your uncle, right? Mr. Mystique, I'm out.